Nawo ama-penalty bafethu Orlando Pirates Sibisi ngaphandle hayi busibisi madoda udlisa i-Orlando Pirates ngapha uyi-captain lo muntu ovela ulishaya ngaphandle madoda hayibo advantage Casrick Stars Orlando Pirates iligejile usibisi captain he was bheka urelaxed ulishaye kahle but akabhekanga isport kahle but I think ukuthuka bafethu uthuka kanjani uyi-leader uyi-captain udlala ne-team encane ku-home ground na i-captain ye-Casrick Stars bafethu asiyibona ukuthi izolishaya kanjani yona ngeke itatazele against Siphosheni bafethu Bafana's number 2 one of the best goalkeepers in South Africa right now Casrick Stars straight from izokhala madoda Orlando but uSiphosheni ithi sibheka bafethu ukuthi angakwazi ukuba saver i-Orlando Pirates hey ubuyele emuva mfethu abo left isikhathi esiningi abakori azi abo left bayawageja ama-penalty and uyolishaya le phansi if uyalishaya but bayageja o left phansi phakathi ngishilo ngathi makalishaya ulishaya phansi o left but badume ngokuligeja advantage Casrick Stars captain ye-Casrick Stars ekwazile ukulishaya Teach Makhelwane ubonisa usibisi ubhoda madoda ufavor yonke i-team against Orlando Pirates Siphosheni was committed kuthayelena phezulu Molbek penalty akhona belinganawo amandla behind the ball power behind the ball but he converted the penalty which is important Mariko hayi angimthembi kuMariko bafethu ngimbone engena laphana nangu goalkeeper udraw iphambano bafethu umthandazo wakhe udwebile laphana phakathi epalini iphambano zakhe sisimbheke ukuthi umsebenzela isiphambano against Mariko I think Mariko can you rescue Orlando Pirates ukwazi ukushaya igoli lokuqala noma ipenalty lokuqala this evening power behind the ball into edingakalayo bafethu that's what Orlando Pirates needs goalkeeper decide noma uchoose iside le right but ke there was so much power behind the ball and ulishaya egcineni meaning goalkeeper bekumele all out ukuze alithole yabo good penalty from uMariko no pressure from yena yabafundisa abafana abastep up abazayo ukuthi nabo bakwazi ukuconverta Skelem madoda uSkelem lo bedlalela oStelis I think uSkelem let's check I think uSkelem bamfaka second half ukuthi uSiphosheni umphatheleni if khona umuntu one-experience uyo one-experience udlalile uye bafethu uSkelem udlalile ku-professional setup udlalile ku-Betway Premiership sisibheke ukuthi uzokwazi ukulishaya igoli amathatha angaka mfethu Siphosheni mina batholele lodwa nje kuphela bafethu elodwa akwazi ukubuyisa Orlando Pirates egamini cabanga ukuthi uzoya le phansi because uqalele phezulu because mangibheka ispace uvulile phansi sithi sibheke uSkelem what a good penalty bafethu power behind the ball pika isport ulishaya kanjeni ipenalty noma uthola ukuthi ayikho ipower that much but liphansi ugoalkeeper kumele aye phansi as long uliphikile isport kahle uchoose iside ushayele egcineni Siphosheni bekumele naye aye all out ukuthi alithole la bhola ulibonile ukuthi ibhola liyangakuphi but there was so much power behind the ball and the placement important advantage Casrick Stars President Yama 2000 one of the best players in South African football uyathandaza ugoalkeeper ngokudweba laphana epalini ezokhala madoda think maqala le match le into engibonile ukuthi Orlando Pirates ine-advantage kunawo wonke ama-teams ukuthi win i-Nedbank Cup but manje bathola kule situation la bakwi President you can't khona abantu abangageja angeke kugeje uRile Mfokeng bafethu angeke Rile angeke ugeje sisibona ugoalkeeper ngaba yi-hero if angabamba uRile Mfokeng mhlawumbe uzolishaya straight phakathi yabo power behind the ball there's no way uRile Mfokeng ageja akhona abantu abageja but i-pressure uyakwazi ukuyihandlela umfana the face of iPSL yabo easy akatatazeli pick the sports kahle pick your sport and make sure ukuthi kune-power ne-placement. Sisibheke umfana olandelayo we-Casric Stars. Madoda. Still advantage Casric Stars because Orlando Pirates igejile, Casric Stars ayikageji. Mfana ngathi uthukile noSipho Chain angiyiboni confidence mangibheka, but let's see, let's check. 2 Orlando Pirates, 2 Casric Stars. Mekora lana kuzoba 3 Casric Stars. Noma uSipho Chain uzokwazi ukubuyisa Orlando Pirates egaming. Think uSipho Chain udivile waya le ngenhla kawu2 bafowethu, kawu2. Manje uyaphansi. Kwa left yakhe, I believe uyaphansi. Mfana mangalisha lapha phezulu futhi. No, what a penalty. Ingipeneka. Ushaya straight uSipho Chain. uSipho Chain sekayeka u3 le phezulu. Uthi umfana uvelo walisha. Hey, ngicishela shaya ipali le ball. Hey bo, ngicishela shaya ipali. Olishaya ipali la ngena vele. Ngikhumbuza uZidane 2006 madoda. But ulishaya straight ayinokuthuka. Ngathi uligubhile umfana omncane. Oswena police if call umuntu ozo ayinalo ngeke ageje, bayageja abantu not oswena police bafethu, no. Walibamba noma bageja iphelile indaba yeOrlando Pirates. Oswena police kumele akwazi ukukora, but there's no way a police bangageja abanye bafethu not a police. But let's see ukuthi ugoalkeeper uMthombeni angaba yihero. Easy. Teach makhelwane. Ngishilo ngathi bayage bangageja abantu not a police, not this guy, not this one. Ngeke. 3 Orlando Pirates, 3 Casric Stars. Uyambona akathuka umfana, uyababona owa police bafethu yida, hayi. Advantage still Casric Stars. Umfana weKaizer Chiefs madoda. Umanqoba ozomena madoda. Umfana weKaizer Chiefs angayishaya Orlando Pirates ufuna ukuprove ipoint, babhekile iCoast Nation na inganeni bafethu. Imele uSipho Chain sobona ukuthi umfana uzokwazi. uSipho Chain uyadelay lapha, uyadelay. But urelaxile umfana. Pressure. I think first prophet ngiyaqala, okay, uyaqala ukudlala neteam yaku PSL. Njengoba idlala neOrlando Pirates, ungene late kusho ukuthi ungene vele ezoshaya penalty. Manqoba mfana oDTC team kweKaizer Chiefs kaze uzolishaya noma uzotatazela na against Sipho Chain. Ayi madoda. Ngaphandle. Lele wenzani umfana weKaizer Chiefs? Madoda, wayidlisa team. Sipho Chain final udivelele phansi. Itayela madoda, itayela ziyadlisa. Bheka. Akamiselanga noma lishaya penalty cause manqoba bafethu welele. Mpho Chabatsane. The new Orlando Pirates defender abamsayinile uthi replace uMbekezeli Mbokazi. Well, is he a replacement for Ubekezeli Mbokazi? No, udlala center back. But iyakwazi nokudlala left back, but kuPirates udlala center back. Ngathi uthukile lo muntu lo bafethu mangimbheka. Ngathi uthukile futhi uthuke strong. But it is back udlala ngo left, abadlala ngo left angibathembi. But let's see. Mpho Chabatsane. Ngishilo ngathi uthukile. Chabatsane wenzani kodwa? Ayibo. Welele Casric Stars, advantage Casric Stars. Chabatsane wenzani? Hayibo. Hawu. Ovele nje yini uchango power behind the ball, but shayipali madoda. Casric Stars, history makers, can they do it against Orlando Pirates? Ubani ulo Mohale noma ubani uye lo shaye 2 goals last week. Let's see if uye, but I think uyangibazi phela labafana. But ngathi uye umfana no, ngizomcheck igama lakhe. Balishaya kuphelile bafethu. Orlando Pirates ingakhishwa iteam yaku National First Division. Hey, history phela le bafethu. Ithi sibone Sipho Chain uyarelax kaze uSipho Chain uzoya kuphi? Uzoya phezulu noma uzoya phansi? Akakalibambi ipenalty nelilodwa for Orlando Pirates this evening. Uyazi ukuthi kubaleka kangakanani nama fans azo wadu if uluza la under pressure kakhulu. Casric Stars, can they go through? Hey, now umfana ushintsha amagiya, ushintsha amasayidi, walibamba uSipho Jane, walibamba uSipho Jane. Hey, yasavava yasinda Orlando Pirates emnyama ngenkani, sasinda madoda. Ubuya nalo uSipho Jane liphila umfana ulishaya straight naye. Yabo lento le epeneka madoda. Oh, he yadlisa le ndaba epeneka. uSipho Jane ngiyambona ukuthi umuve late, akamuvanga ngesikhathi. There was no power even ebholeni laphana. Umbuthuma ilona yini silent death noma yini bafowethu. Umbuthuma naye ubonakala ngathi uthuke kakhulu umfana. Izinto azimhambi, unawo amagoli koLorlando Pirates impressive, I think senamagoli awu7, but mangembheka umfana uthukile. Ken Mthombeni save umbuthuma. Hayi. Advance, I think Orlando Pirates game seyibuyileke manje. Wakora bageja Orlando Pirates winile Mbuthuma. Also goalkeeper shaphakathi umbuthuma. Hey goalkeeper wenzani? Bengithi ulibambile madoda. Ama-penalty Tisberg. Hawu goalkeeper wayidlisa i-team. Cause ulithintile like put power iglove baba. Iglove bekucelebrate kanjani umbuthuma ukuthi bebambambile. But ke somehow langena. Uye kuMokhale wakhona bafethu lo uyambona naye uthukele Nkosi yami. I think they were close ukuthi benze history lapha eOrlando Stadium or Orlando Amstel Arena. Let's see ukuthi uzokwazi ukora namfana. I think i-pressure too much kumfana. I think chance uzogeja lo. Singaba nama-penalty amade bafethu or kuseyiphelile indaba ye-Casric Stars. They played bafethu but uthuke kakhulu. Sisibheke ukuthi uzokwazi now. Sipho Jane une-confidence yokuthi the last penalty Casric Stars okwazile ukulibamba. Sipho Jane 1-4 amabhakani. Casric Stars uphumile noma uyahlala. Warelax umfana kajahanga. Wow madoda phakathi. Ayaqhubeka ama-penalty awakapheli madoda. Hey, ziyakhale Orlando. Hey, sudden death ngempela le. Hayi. Lushayile umfana uSipho Jane umake sure ukuthi uSipho Jane udivela uside el wrong. Ndaba. Mfana wase KZN madoda. Straight from me Richards Bay la imthathe khona Orlando Pirates. Kejiwe namhlanje 2 abagejila beOrlando Pirates, 2 abeCasric Stars ababanjiwe bagejile abawu2. Sipho Casric Stars umanqoba ugejile then walibamba uSipho Jane. Orlando Pirates sibonile abawu2 bagejile. Ndaba. Khuluma nabo ndaba. Shango left ngeke ubathemba. Wa left but it is big ukuthi confidence ikhona umfana, power behind the ball. Hawu ndaba. Hayibo ndaba. No ngixoshisa ukunzokeyibo ngizofaka ucoach enkingeni indaba nenzani ngoba phela iNedbank Cup yini ayikho team more powerful than nini. O-left ngishilo ngathi angibathembi bafethu. O-left there's something about abantu abadlala ngo-left nama-penalty. Sorry ndaskisa mfethu ndaba ziyenzeka into ekanje, but there's something off about abantu abathatha ama-penalty ku-Orlando Pirates namhlanje ngoba nombuthuma ukorile but just ukuthi ukeeper there was no power behind the ball. Angakhali undaba ziyenzeka lezi zinto bafethu. I-defender ke lele Casric Stars bafethu ube negame enhle kakhulu uBhuti lapha nemuva simbonile neconfidence umake sure nje ukuthi yabo no mistake lapha nemuva ukuthi Orlando Pirates ayiwatholi ama-chances obvious udlale kahle kakhulu, but-ke nothing is bigger than this. Walishaya phakathi la history ngeke siyikhohle ukuthi i-Casrick Stars ku-Nedbank Cup njengoba umaluthi singabakhohlwa ne-Casrick Stars ngeke siyikhohle kulele ku-defend. What a performance from uBhuti, udlale kahle kakhulu lapha nemuva, angakwazi ukulishaya ipenalty. Hey wemadoda, history in the making. Sipho Chain angakwazi ukulibamba. Power behind the ball, ama-defend uyawathemba. Oh, it's a goal. I-history bafowethu bashaya Orlando Pirates esigodini bafowethu la kuthiwa kuphunywa khona. Casrick Stars, they are through to the next stage of the Nedbank Cup. Wonke ama-big threes confirmed baphumile abafana. Sundowns, they are out. Kaizer Chiefs, they are out. Orlando Pirates, they are out. Hey, sibambeni lana bafowethu.